Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn about factors. Consider the multiplication sentence 3 into 9 equal to 27. Here, the numbers 3 and 9 are multiplied to get a number 27. 3 and 9 are called the factors and 27 is called the product. Also, 3 into 9 equal to 27. From this multiplication, we can write two division statements. That is, 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. And the second one is 27 divided by 9 equal to 3. This means both 9 and 3 divide 27 exactly and no remainder is left. Now children, if one number is given and told us to find out factors of 12, then how to find out? So we will start writing the factors from one table. 12 comes in one table, so 1 12 is 12. Then we will check with 2, 2 6 is 12. Then 3 4 is also 12. Then after 3 table, we will go for 4. We will get 12 in 4 table also. It is nothing but 4 3s is 12. Just the opposite of these two numbers. Here it is 3 4s. The next table is 4 3s. Then again it will come in 6 table also. 6 2s are 12. Then after 6, 12 number comes in 12 table, that is 12 ones are 12, which is just the opposite of this. Okay, so these are repeated factors. Now we want all the factors of 12. That means we have to arrange the numbers from the least to the highest. That means 1 comes first from small number to the big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we have written in an ascending order. So what is the final statement? All the factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So factors can be told as like this. Factors are the numbers you multiply to get a total. Children, in a diagrammatical form we are going to see. It is 1, 2, 3. First number is 3. So 3 blocks into 4 blocks. 3 4s is 12. In the other way, 4 3s is 12. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12. In the next one, 2 into 6 is 12 and again 6 into 2 is also 12. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Now in the next block, we have 2 into 5 equal to 10. But 2 more blocks are there down. So 2 left ones we have. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Okay. Now we are going to see some of the important terms of factors. That is, 1 is the least factor of every natural number. When we have arranged the numbers, that means the factors in ascending order, we have the first one as 1 and the last one as 12. 1 is the least factor and the number which we want the factors is the greatest. So those are the 2 points which we are going to learn now. 1 is the least factor of every natural number and every natural number is its own greatest factor. Third point is every natural number has at least two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For prime numbers, children, we have only two factors, but whereas for the composite numbers, what are composite numbers? The numbers which comes in other tables. Now 2 is prime number, so 2 will come only in 2 table, not in other tables. Suppose if we have number 12, we got in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4, 6, many tables we got 12 number, but whereas 2 comes only in 2 tables. So this is prime number and 12 is composite number examples. Okay. So if it is a prime number, at least two factors we will get. Now fourth one is every factor other than itself is less than the given number. Yes, every factor other than itself is less than the given number. Correct. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. 1, 2 and 3 are all less than 6. Yeah, children, have you understood about the factors introduction? Thank you.